Hello my dear students, today I am going to teach you English Literature Chapter 8, A Trip to Mars, the second part. Captain Jenner's scientist friends had already told her about all the good places on Mars from where she could dig out the rocks. Now, I should go in search of the spots from where I can find the right rocks for the test. She said. Curio too went along with her to help her find the rocks. Now, Captain Jenner's friends had already told her from where to get rocks. So she said, now let me go and search from where to get the right rocks. And remember, the robot Curio also followed her in search of the rocks. The scientist had asked Jenner to collect rocks and soil from the surface of Mars because they wanted to see if there was life on Mars long ago. Captain Jenner used her digging tool and collected a lot of rocks to perform tests on them. She then took the help of Curio to study the rocks and see if they could be taken back to the scientist on Earth. So dear students, the scientist had asked Jenner to collect rocks and soil from the surface of Mars because the scientists wanted to know, they wanted to know if there was life on Mars long ago. So Captain Jenner, remember she took her digging tool, So she took her digging tool, collected a lot of rocks, for them to test and see if there was life in Mars long ago. Curio helped Captain Jenner study the rocks. It also assisted her in digging a few more rocks from the soil. Finally, it took a picture of Captain Jenner and sent it to Earth for all the other astronauts and scientists to see. So, Curio also helped Captain Jenner to study the rocks and then took a picture of Captain Jenner and sent it to the astronauts and scientists on the Earth. At last, the time came for Captain Jenner and Curio to leave the red planet and head back home. They traveled past all the planets and stars. Captain Jenner's work was done as she had brought back all the rocks which she had collected on her mission. Now, at last, the time came for Captain Jenner to leave the red planet and head back home. So they traveled past all the planet. Now they are returning back to the Earth. So they passed all the planet and stars. And Captain Jenner's work was done as she brought rocks which she had collected on a mission. She came back and told everyone about what she saw on Mars. The scientists thought that people had lived on Mars a long time ago. They even wondered if Mars was green and blue like Earth at one time, All the scientists congratulated Captain Jenner and told her what an excellent work she had done. Now, when Captain Jenner returned back, she met her friends, scientists, and she told them about Mars, what she had seen there. Okay, and the scientists even wondered if Mars was green and blue like Earth at one time. So they all were happy. All the scientists congratulated Captain Jenner and told her what an excellent work she had done. Well done, Captain Jenner. Soon it will be time for you to get ready for another trip, they said together. Now, all her friends congratulated her and they told her that soon it will be time for her to get ready for another trip.